Good morning, class. Now we'll be looking at linear equations and formula. Firstly, let's look at linear equations. Then after that, then we'll look at formulas. Now, this is an equation in which you are asked to solve. Note, there's a difference between an equation and an expression. The major difference between equation and expression is that an equation has an equality sign. But if it is an expression, it will just be all these variables without the inequality sign. That is the major difference between equation and expression. So this is an equation, and we are asked to solve. The meaning of solving means you are asked to find the value of the unknown. That is the value of the alphabet given to you in the question. Now look at this question. We are asked to solve this. Minus 4x plus 5 equals to 25 plus x. The easiest way to do this is to collect like terms. That is, you can bring the variable that contains x to be at the left hand side of the equation, and those that does not contain x, that is the constant variables, to be at the right hand side of the equation. That is, this is minus 4x, you can keep it here. Then this is plus x, you can move it to this side of the equation. This is plus x. When it comes here, it becomes minus x because it's crossing a bridge. Anytime a number or an alphabet crosses the bridge, this is just like a bridge, the sign changes from positive to negative or from negative to positive. Now equals to, this is 25, it's still here. Now I want to move 5. This is plus 5. When it comes to this side, it becomes minus 5. That is, plus 5 is crossing this bridge. So the sign is changing from plus 5 to minus 5. Now, minus 4x minus x gives us minus 5x equals to 25 minus 5 gives us 20. Since we are looking for x, so we are going to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is minus 5. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 5. So we divide both sides by minus 5. So that we can get x. So we now have minus 5x divided by minus 5 is equals to 20 divided by minus 5. This eliminate this. Finally, we have our x. So we have our x here. This is 6x. We have our x here to be equals to 5 here 1, 5 in 20 is 4. With this negative minus 4. So x is minus 4 from question 1. Now, question 2 also is similar to question 1. The major difference between the two is just that in question 2, you have a bracket, which is very easy to eliminate. Firstly, you can use this 3 to open this bracket in this question number 2, or you divide both sides by 3. So that 3 can disappear here, then this will become 2x. Let's do it in a simpler way. Let's open the bracket. 3 times 5, 15, plus 3 times 7, 21x, equals to 6x. Then you calculate like terms. The one that have an x, the variable that have an x, can be at the left hand side. The one that does not have an x can be transferred to the other side. So you are going to have 21x. This is plus 6x. When it comes here, it becomes minus 6x, equals to, this is plus 15. When it comes here, it becomes minus 15. Now, 21x minus 6x becomes what? 15x. Now, equals to minus 15. We have this. Now, since we are looking for x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 15. So we divide both sides by 15. Divide both sides by 15. So you are going to have 15x divided by 15 equals to minus 15 divided by 15. 15 cancel 15. Finally, 15 cancel 15. We have minus 1 left. Therefore, our x now becomes minus 1 in this equation. As I've explained earlier, instead of opening the bracket, you can actually divide both sides by 3 from here. Then this one becomes 2x. Then you collect like terms to get to x. It's still the same thing. Now, question 3. The third question. The third question we are asked to solve this. It involved find an m. So in our next class, we will continue with this question 3. Thank you.